My name is Ramaya. I am studying 8th class in MP School.
Heralded,
Retractor,
arrival,
departure,
several,
few,
yesterday,
today,
below,
above,
evening,
morning,
screaming,
whisper,
imprecations,
bless,
aggressive,
disaggressive,
aggressive,
meek,
away,
today,
away,
near,
rapidly,
slowly,
move,
friend,
move,
stagnant,
that,
this,
there,
here,
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 no,
yes,
get,
God,
get,
blessed,
little,
big,
use,
misuse,
flit, flit,
hang,
brilliant,
bogus,
brilliant,
dull,
brightly,
darkly,
absolutely,
partially,
noticed,
unnoticed,
necessarily,
unnecessarily,
conceal,
reveal,
now,
then,
with,
without,
run,
walk,
sister,
brother,
some,
more,
genuine,
bogus,
warm,
cool,
humid, humid, arid,
arid,
high altitude,
low altitude,
rare,
friend,
front, offered,
refers,
offered,
refuse,
certain,
uncertain,
privacy,
publicity,
asked,
answer,
paradise,
brilliant,
paradise,
hell,
first,
blessed,
strange,
familiar,
all,
noun,
all,
none,
silent,
noisy,
come,
go,
up,
down,
perhaps,
cheerful, definitely,
melancholy,
cheerfulness.
good.